Now here's how you can empty the iCloud storage on the iPhone. Let's get started. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. On your iPhone, when you open up the settings, you can tap on your profile where you can see your name and the picture, and at the top of the list, this is basically your Apple ID settings page, and part of this, you can notice we have the iCloud. And at the top, we have the breakdown of how much storage you have available and how much you're currently using. Most likely you are, just like most people, on the edge, right? So almost full storage. So you can tap on it and see the exact breakdown. So in my case, I can see that the iCloud photos are taking up quite a while, quite a lot of storage, and also some other things like backups and more. So below, I can see it all sorted by the size pretty much, and I can see the iCloud photos. The largest item, I can tap on it, and if I don't really need it anymore, I can click on a turn off and delete photos, and basically the 3 gigabytes of however much I have on the iCloud will be gone, right? So this storage will be cleared, emptied for other things, right? And also we can go further. There are, as you can see, some backups as well, so I can tap on that and see that I have like an iPad backup made quite a while ago, so I can delete that backup if I don't need it anymore. Keep in mind that, of course, you are deleting data which might be worthwhile, so make sure to review it so you do not delete something that you might actually end up needing later. But yeah, that's basically how you can do this. Some more things in here as well, like messages, you can also delete those and turn it off, right? So this is how you can manage that kind of stuff. One more thing, you can also check out the iCloud web interface. Sometimes I feel it gives me like a better way to view my iCloud situation. So you can open up Safari and type in iCloud.com, sign in by scanning your face. That would work just fine. And you can see all of the different things, like for example, not just photos in general, but every single picture and video which you have backed up to iCloud can be managed in here. And you can also just select a few photos and videos here and there and delete those, whereas through the settings we could only delete the whole photo album from the iCloud. So yeah, that you have a little bit more control over the web interface, at least for some occasions. But yeah, let me know what you think below, subscribe for more, and I'll catch you in the next videos too.